How to recover Valorant account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will guide you on how you can recover your Valorant account, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to recover our Valorant account, all we have to do is just go ahead and then open up our browser, and then once we open up our browser, you simply want to go to account.riotgames.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. Just go to account.riotgames.com and then you will land on this web page which you see right over here. And then once you come to this web page, of course, that if we remember our Valorant or our Riot Games user ID and password, we would be able to simply enter them and log into our account, right? But we don't remember that, and that is why we are trying to recover it. So at the bottom you can say cannot sign in or create account button, right? You want to just carefully tap on the can't sign in button, as you can see over here. And once you basically tap on can't sign in, you'll come to this page over here, and here you are different reasons as to why you can't sign in. So did you forget your username, or if you haven't played in a while, or if you forgot your password or played on mobile? So which means that I'm assuming most of the cases that you forgot your password, right? So if you forgot your password, you can just tap on the forgot password button over here, and then you simply have to enter the username of your Valorant account to reset your password. Or else if you forgot your username itself, then you can just tap on forgot username, and in that case you can simply enter the email address. So let's say I actually forgot my password, then I'll just come back, I'll just select the option called my password over here, forgot password. Then I do remember my username, so I'll enter the username of my Valorant account. Then once I do that, I'll just tap on this arrow icon here. It says me to click each image containing a robot, right? So I'll just go ahead and then do that as well, and then I'll just tap on the verify button. Once it's verified, if a specific username matches an existing account, we will send a password reset email within a few minutes. So what you need to do is you simply have to wait until you receive the email, and then here you can see I have successfully received an email from Riot Games to change my password. So I'll just tap on that email here, and then here you can see password change request. Then of course all you have to do is just tap on this link. It will take you to a page where you can simply enter your new password without having to remember your old password. So enter the new password that you want to use, and once you actually enter the new password and retype them, just tap on the OK button, and now your password will be successfully changed. That's all it takes to recover your Valorant account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.